side. Trying to catch up. Red Lions over 200 points. The New England Robotics putting something as well for blue. They are now going to catch up to the Red Lions. Oregon and their partner, Decals, all put quite a few of those fuel cells into the red car. Building up the lead. They are over 320 points now here in shift 2. And now going to shift 3. Blue after again. The Roaches putting a bunch in over on the blue side. Putting something as well. Their third partner, the Canada Wolves, will be a start over to the red car. Up quick for the blue line. Red, 400 in their over 450 out of it. We're at shift number 4 over the red lines over 450 points. And they have things pretty solidly in hand as we go into the 40 seconds to go. Oregon just sending those fuel cells over the red side of the field. And now we come into the end game. Oregon picking them up. Sucking them up and putting them up. Like they're picking up protein off the ground and getting more energy as they should. We're in the end game. We're down to about 10 seconds remaining in this match. Over 580 points now for the Robotics. Let's see if they go over 600 and they do. 1 second to go and time expires.
It is the Red Alliance. They take it with a score of 628 to 216. It's going to be 5 ranking points for the red teams. Nicely done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Build your alliance with so many other FIRST alumni who go to Kettering University. Every student at Kettering experiences their cutting-edge co-op programs that seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds. Kettering co-ops are a fully immersive working experience at the leading edge of industry. Head on over to kettering.edu/first to learn more about their incredible programs and to get more information.